Many have asked me, how does one remain in the state once it is assumed? Must the feeling be held through the day? You're not asked to hold it through strain. You're asked to return to it in faith. Faith is remembrance, the act of choosing once more what is already true. When you assume the wish fulfilled, you have entered a new dwelling. Though your attention may wander, each remembrance is a step back into that dwelling. You do not preserve the state by discipline, but by awareness. When the old world calls for your reaction, do not argue. Return. If while reading the morning paper, you are stirred by fear or envy, lay it aside and remember the unseen reality. You have only brushed against the shadow cast by an old belief. Withdraw the gaze of attention from that image and return to the living cause unseen. That turning of attention is the true prayer, the sacred union of man and his imagination, where the invisible takes upon itself the likeness of form, and the promise stands revealed as fact. When you walk through the streets and your eyes meet the evidence of lack, pause and walk again as one who already possesses. Let every step declare its completion. When you speak with another, and the old conversation of doubt begins, do not resist it. Allow the fulfilled self to answer. Let your tone reveal what is finished. If you wait for a letter that delays, or a door that remains closed, that is the moment to return, not in pleading, but in the assurance that it is done. When you sit alone in the evening, and the day seems ordinary, lift the eyes of imagination and see the end accomplished. You are not waiting for its appearance. You are resting in its certainty. You may lose sight of it often, yet each remembrance renews the pattern of faith. Each return lays another stone upon the bridge between the unseen and the seen. Persist in returning, and the invisible must take form. When you stumble, when you drift back to the old tale, turn once more. The state remains firm, waiting for your recognition. It does not fade, for consciousness holds its form. The instant you remember, you stand again in command. When evening comes, do not lie down in the burden of the day. Rest as the one who has received. Let the feeling of fulfillment cradle you, for the image impressed before rest shapes the events of your tomorrow. So I tell you, the law responds only to faith, not to hold, but to return, not to strive, but to remember. For imagination, once accepted as truth, compels every scene to bear witness to the reality you have chosen. Therefore, continue in the act of remembrance. Return again and again until it becomes your only dwelling. Live from the end, and you will find that the end lives through you.